What's up, guys? And it's time to talk about the 10th anniversary Samsung Galaxy S10, and we're gonna talk about its rumors and leaks and all of the latest news that has fed up the internet so far. And so let's kick off things with one fact that is sure, that is the Samsung Galaxy S10 will be the first Samsung Galaxy phone to have an in-display fingerprint sensor, and that is confirmed. Qualcomm has been chosen for the supplier for the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Now, if you're wondering what the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor is, then the ultrasonic technology will be more accurate than the current optical sensors found on Vivo and other phones. It will be much faster and reliable, and you won't have to press it hard to unlock the phone. It will be able to wake up your device and unlock your device underwater as well, which the current optical sensors cannot do. It will also be the first fingerprint sensor to be able to measure your blood pressure and also the heart rate, creating the first ever fingerprint sensor to do so. Talking about the internals, for internals it will have two variants. One will be the Snapdragon 855 and the Exynos 9820, which have been revealed recently, and they will be introduced based on a 7 nanometer process, which will boost its speed and all RAM management, etc., with hopefully rumored 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM. Most likely they will upgrade the specifications to the base model to 6 gigabytes and the plus variant to the 8 gigabytes. Hopefully, but nothing sure about that. That's my speculation. But 7 nanometer process with the Snapdragon 855 and Exynos 9820 will be explosive in talking about the Geekbench and all other sources that count these scores. But anyways, a new report suggests that Samsung might consider equipping the S10 with triple rear cameras, since Apple is also expected to release an iPhone X 2019 with triple lens cameras, and alongside a rumor to have a 3D front-facing camera for improved AR, which will boost the current S9's AR front emoji feature. A new leak and new thing that has hit the internet and it's exploded on the internet is this new image picture which shows a bezel-less Samsung Galaxy S10 prototype, which was tweeted out by Exynos on Twitter. And this is explosive because 2019 Samsung is putting all of their efforts to put the best 10th anniversary phone, and with this design you can get it will be a futuristic design and with no bottom bezel and no top bezel, which meaning a bezel-less design. As for the sensors, they will be embedded into the screen, and for your speakers, the stereo speakers, it will be known as a sound emitting display, which Samsung has recently developed, and this display will emit sounds, whereas there will be no need for the stereo speakers to take up the space on the bezels. And for the front camera, that is unconfirmed how they will manage it, but I believe that there will be a slight top bezel, providing it with the camera and the IR sensor iris scanner. And so that will be really mind-blowing. As also, to follow that up, according to Exynos on Twitter, S10's resolution will indeed exceed 600 ppi, which will be more than S9's 570 ppi. For this, Samsung will have to improve the screen resolution to 4K, which will be mind-blowing because the current S9 has 570 ppi, and due to the 600 ppi they will have to increase it from 1080p to 4K, and that is going to be a killer display. As per the screen to body ratio will indeed succeed 90% as compared to its previous 84.3%. So the code name for the S10 has been confirmed as Beyond, and with all of these features it is looking likely that it will be truly beyond. And alongside that, we will get the Bixby 2.0 with improved AI performance, as we already know that the Note 9 will be able to debut the Bixby 2.0 in its device. So it's going to be a second device which will have bixby 2.0. And guys, I can't believe this S10 is coming too good with all of these leaks and rumors so far, and we'll see how the story develops ahead. And for the release date, it is expected to be released at CES 2019 in January. So guys, the S10 is also coming very early due to the Galaxy X foldable device, which will be coming at MWC in 2019 February. So guys, this is all we know so far. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a like below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.